Hi, I'm Irish Kevin, and I'm going to show you how to install the Honeywell 800 million thousand touchscreen thermostat, which works with the internet and your smartphone. Alright, so this is the second generation. I saved a ton of electricity once I put this thing in. It's programmed, there's a schedule. Every day, you can view the schedule, how I set it. Lower at night, goes up in the morning, we leave in the afternoon, and forget because we turned it down, we turn it back up. 7 days. Right now it's kind of cold outside, so I don't need it on. That's why it's set to 83, but it's still 74 in the house. Nice and comfortable. It suggests that you mark all the wires with the little tabs that they give you. As you can see, I did do it before. But it's worn out since then, so I'll have to remark them. It's also suggested you take a picture. Alright, we're going to take this sucker out now. Normally I use a power tool, but alright, now I got the screws out. You're going to want to pull this whole wire out. It should come out. That way you can tag it all with the new labels. Oh, and it'd be a good idea to touch up the paint around there because the new one's not going to be the same size. Case in point. So I'm going to go ahead and paint that right now. We got the panel off on the air handler, and when I'm looking here to install the new thermostat is to make sure we have a constant power line. I think it's this little blue one right here, one right there. That's connected to the air handler itself. And then up here, you see I already stripped it. There's a little blue one there. So we're going to connect that. And there it is, the blue one. Set to C, the constant. Let's see if we can get it a little closer here. You're going to want to take note of all these wires. I wasn't going to film the painting portion, but what the hell. Lights! It's not pretty, but it doesn't have to be. When this paint dries, it'll match the wall perfectly. Alright, so it looks like the wires, the labels have held up, so we're just going to unscrew them here and take them out. Check them as we go. This is the Y. We got the W. And this one looks like an R, but it's the RC. And there we go. And it's bridged to the R. Alright, now we got everything pulled off. I'm probably going to relabel all these, but you're going to make sure all these wires are straight. These handy dandy electrician pliers will do the trick. Notice what we didn't have before was the C wire, the constant wire. That's that right there, so I'm going to have to splice that. Or not splice it, strip the wire off so that we can use it. All you need is one of these handy dandy little doohickeys. It's a wire stripper. We're going to put it right in the 20 gauge, the 20 to 22 gauge, because it is the smallest wire. It's real simple to do. Just grab it, give it a little twist, clip it, pull it right off. And there you go. Nice clean end. Alright, let's hook them up. Guess we'll start with good old C wire up here. W. The RC. Excellent. And now for the moment of truth. There it is. I should film this shit too. But I'm English.
Like, we have a fast pass for Next. Blah, 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 blah. So we could probably be there about 9:45.
Next.
Whatever.
What do we want to call it? Actually, I'm not going to film all this. We have changed the name to Thermostat.
Next. Just call him Fred for short, right? Or do we have
Cooling,
to continuously say Fred Ostat?
Forced air. Gas. Oil. I don't know. We'll just assume it's that. Saving changes. Hells to the yeah. Bam! You can't see this.
3, 4,
Bam!
6, 7, 8. So there's a 2. There's 3 4s. There's 5 6s, and there's 7 8.
And success. There it is. And just to make sure it is working, we have turned on the heat. We'll run that for a few minutes and then I'll shut it off with my app.
Now, can you have that on your phone?
Yes.
Nice.
And next up, connect it to Alexa. Take 2, and now for the moment of truth. No, it's not take 2. It's
Freaking cold.
proof positive that you can do it yourself.
What?
Behold.
Behold. Actually, kneel before me! Because I control the Thermostat.
The Honeywell 800 million thousand touchscreen thermostat, which works with the internet and your smartphone. So you can program your heating and cooling away from home. And scene.